We've got a gorgeous 1967 Camaro convertible here for sale today. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com and you'll get the pricing and all the specs on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We have shipping, we have financing, plenty of ways to contact us on our website. I have a whole staff of people here. Their job is to get you behind the wheel of one of these cars. So however we can help you, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting a lot of videos and that's the best way to see them first. Let's take this beauty for a spin. Car's gorgeous. I mean, I don't have to say anything. It speaks for itself right there. You like it factory restored, you know, without the big wheels and all that sort of stuff. This is just a nice restored to original Camaro. Has the proper dated and coated drivetrain for a 67. It's a 327 with a 4-barrel turbo 350 automatic. Got a nice cruising gear in the back end. Has power steering, power disc brakes, power top. It does have a spoiler and a stripe. The rally wheels a little bit bigger in back, so it gives a little bit of an aggressive stance. All clean metal. Has the shaker cans, painted real nice, new weather strip. The latch is clean, new bolts. So trunk compartment's real clean. Interior is all redone. The upholstery, door panels, armrests. Has a new deluxe steering wheel. Has a retro stereo. Interior light works under the dash. Has all the seat belts. All the black metal is painted real glossy. So a real nice interior. Door jambs beautiful. So it's got rally wheels with all new trim, BF Goodrich tires, and the paint is slick. It's got the nose stripe, a metal cowl hood, new windshield. All this trim is new and shiny. Has the bow tie mirror. A correct 327 4-barrel, has a double hump heads, correct exhaust manifolds. Like I said, power brakes, power steering. Everything in here looks new. It's very fresh, detailed. Nice set of Corvette finned aluminum valve covers on there. Wiring looks new. I mean, that's a nice motor compartment, all detailed. All the nuts, bolts, brackets, everything looks great. It is body off the frame. The whole front suspension is completely redone, detailed. It's got a nice dual exhaust, I think a new fuel tank. So underneath this car is exceptionally nice. So again, what we have here is just a nice cruiser. You want a beautiful looking Camaro. You don't need superchargers and 1,000 horsepower. This is just a nice cruising Camaro. And it still has plenty of power and it still has a nice sound. Got a high torque mini starter. Still sounds great. Power top we just serviced. It's got an electric choke on the 4-barrel carb. All new plug wires, new fuel pump, new fan shroud. Has a correct antenna, real shiny, must be new. These are real nice. The floors are real nice and dry clean metal in this car. Bottom of the doors are real nice. I believe it was a good clean metal car to start with. Power steering, power brakes, automatic. Won't be any work at all to drive this car. You can just enjoy yourself. Power top. This door needs to be pulled in a little. The latch is loose. If I had a pair of pliers, I'd do it right now, but we'll have the shop do that. All of our cars get serviced when they come in. They get serviced the second time when they leave. So we try and make sure we deliver you a turnkey ready car. That's what this one here will be. So visit volocars.com to get all the specs. Any questions, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.